There are some locations here in the city of Enugu that once they are mentioned, what really comes to mind is exclusivity, peace of mind, comfort, and security. And one of those places is Centenary City. So I'm right here in Centenary City. Today I came to inspect one of our property. And if you know Centenary City very well, it is a fully developed estate here, right here in the city of Enugu. And one good thing about Centenary is that this place houses people who are influential, the people who are into politics, government officials, and even the 1% of the 1% right here in the city of Enugu. So you're thinking about people who are influential, people who are very wealthy. Many of them are living in Centenary. And right here today, we came to inspect one of our property that came out. So if you're an investor or even a Nigerian diaspora, and you've been looking for properties here in Centenary, we have one plot available for you. And by that, I'm talking about one of our properties that are located right here in Divine Hectares Estate. So the plot is just beside me. Okay. So this plot just came out recently, and the price of this property will amaze you. So most of the properties here in Centenary is selling around 70 million, 80 million, even above that. But we have available plots right here that is measuring 565 square meter. That's enough space for whatever structure that you want to build. And the good thing about this neighborhood is that it is fully developed. Even while looking in this video, you see some structures. This one behind me, an amazing structure here, and there's one beside here which is fully constructed, and just beside me here is one of them is still under construction. What does that tell you? It simply means there's massive development in this location, and everyone is looking to get plots in order to build in this area. And we just have one plot available. This property measures, like I said earlier, measures 565 square meters. It is currently selling for 65 million naira. And now the good thing is that you need to just queue in now before this property gets sold out, because if you wait longer, people are going to buy into this location, and then you might not be able to get any available plots right here in Divine Hectares Estate. And this property comes with a C of O. What does that tell you? It simply means it has complete security. It simply means it is fully recognized by the government, and it is fully registered and free from every form of encumbrances. So if you're an investor, you are in Nigeria or even in diaspora, I've been looking to get a plot of land here in Centenary so that you can build your land, then this available plot is that option that you will not want to miss, because if you wait longer, you're going to need this option and someone else will buy this property. So all you need to do is that once you see this video, don't hesitate, just call the number showing on your screen. So I will bring you here for a free site inspection. You get to see the plots on ground, get to see the size, and then know if this plot will meet whatever property that you want to do. Don't hesitate, just call the number showing on your screen.